Yo, what's good, guys? September 17th, trade recap. Caught shorts today for a 1-to-1 risk reward. Super quick trade, was out of the trade in less than 2 minutes. So let's break down why I ended up taking this trade here. So off market open, price made a move to the upside here. We ended up also having an SMT with ES, a bearish SMT. ES came up and took out these 1 hour highs up here. But if we look at the 15-minute time frame, we can see that off market open, price made a move to the upside here, and we tapped into this bearish 15-minute gap right here. So we can see we pushed up into this gap, respected it, and then ended up getting a nice candle back to the downside here. So if we jump back into the 5-minute time frame, we can see that after we tapped into that bearish 15-minute gap and had that nice displacement to the downside, we ended up coming down and we failed to take out London lows by about 4 points. So we had London lows right here, which are obviously a super strong draw on liquidity. And after we failed to take out these lows here, I wanted to see price obviously come back and return to this area. So I was waiting for us to respect some bearish confluences and then ended up getting a short position back to the downside. So if we measure this out here, you can see that we were 4 points away from taking out London lows. So obviously I wasn't going to take any long positions until this got taken out, or I was thinking of taking shorts down to this area, which obviously ended up happening. So if we swept this area, I would have looked for longs, and since we didn't, I was looking for shorts back down to this area. So we had this retrace here on the 5-minute time frame. We had this bearish 5-minute gap here that price came up and tapped into, and then obviously we formed this bullish 5-minute gap that we disrespected. So we respected the bearish 5-minute gap, disrespected the bullish 5-minute gap. Have this tap into this gap here, get a really good reaction back to the downside, and then obviously this 5-minute candle V-shaped reaction back to the downside. I enter short off this 5-minute inverse. Stop loss slightly above the inverse that I entered off of, and then obviously my TP was at London lows for a quick 1-to-1 risk to reward, and we were out of the trade in less than 2 minutes. So if we jump on the 1-minute time frame here, we can zoom in and we can see that this was 2 candles. So I entered off this candle here, we printed this candle, and then we had one big push down to the one big push to the downside and hit my TP. So super quick one today. Obviously we had FOMC this afternoon as well. Ended up getting some wild price action this afternoon. Had some push to the upside here, ripped back down, and then ripped back to the upside. Obviously they ended up cutting interest rates, so we'll see how that affects the market moving forward. But overall, good day today. Super quick trade. Hopefully you guys caught a trade today. 2 more trading days this week. Let's finish strong. I'll be on here tomorrow with another recap. Peace.